The Savonarola chair is one of the most iconic and historic furniture designs, admired for its elegance, craftsmanship, and unique structure. Originating in Italy during the Renaissance period, this chair has stood the test of time and continues to inspire modern interior design. With its distinctive, curved, X-shaped frame and intricate details, the Savonarola chair is more than just a piece of furniture. It's a true work of art. One of the key features of the Savonarola chair is its folding design. Crafted with interlaced wooden slats that curve gracefully, the chair not only looks stylish, but also offers practicality. This folding mechanism made it very popular in the 15th and 16th centuries, as it could easily be stored or transported. Over the years, it became a symbol of prestige and sophistication, often seen in palaces and noble households. Modern versions of the Savonarola chair combine traditional craftsmanship with contemporary touches. Some are decorated with rich carvings, leather seats, and armrests, while others use sleek finishes to blend with modern interiors. Whether placed in a living room, study, or even as an accent piece in a hallway, the Savonarola chair instantly adds a sense of history and refinement to any space. What makes this design truly special is its ability to connect the past with the present. While rooted in Renaissance artistry, the Savonarola chair has evolved into a versatile decor element suitable for both classic and modern homes. It represents timeless beauty, durability, and the elegance of handcrafted furniture. So, if you're looking to enhance your home with a touch of historic charm and sophistication, the Savonarola chair design is a perfect choice that brings both functionality and artistic elegance into your interior decor.